It's time for calendar and weather. Do you remember the month we're in? I know it starts with M, like M-man. Well, what month is it? It is March. And guess what? We're at the very end of March. What number comes after 30? Do you know when you're counting? Well, think 30, 31. Check out our hundreds chart. If we start on the number 30, the number after is 31. Let's get that number. It is March 31st, 2022. Let's put this on the calendar. And tomorrow we're going to be in our new month. Do you know? What month will we be in? Well, think what comes after March. We have March and then April. We'll be in April tomorrow. Tomorrow on April 1st, we will have no school. Okay? And next week is all of spring break. So we'll be returning for calendar and weather on April 11th. All right, what day of the week are we on today, mathematicians? Do you know? Well, think when you're counting, or counting, sorry, let's look at the days of the week resource and figure it out together. I know it's a thankful what? Find the day of the week that starts with TH, tongue behind your teeth. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Do you know the day of the week that starts with TH? Look at the beginning. Th. Did you find it? Here it is. Thursday. Today is Thursday. Do you know what yesterday was? Well, think. What day is before Thursday? Here's Thursday on our resource. The day before is Wednesday. Wednesday. Did you remember that? If you knew that, go ahead and kiss your brain. Yesterday was Wednesday. What will tomorrow be? I know you will not have school this day. Do you know what day it is? Let's see. Today's Thursday. The day after Thursday is Friday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Do you remember the season we're in? Well, what's it called? Let's look at our seasons and months resource to see if we can figure it out. Here is March. Look at the picture. Look at the word. I heard some of you say it. Spring. If you knew that, pat yourself on the back. Let's get that picture and word. We're in the season called spring. And let's describe today's weather in Northern Virginia. The weather is sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, or windy. Well, look outside. What do you think? It's definitely cloudy. Later on today, it may have a combination of sunny and cloudy. Let's first get cloudy to add to our calendar for today's weather. It's going to be mostly cloudy throughout the day. Later on, if the sunshine pops out, it'll be a combination of sun and clouds. Do you remember what that's called? I heard some of you in person say partly cloudy. All right, how many days have we now been in school? Oh, I know yesterday was so exciting. We had 130 and we got to regroup. What comes after 130? Do you know? 131. I heard some of you. Let's go ahead and what we're going to do is make that number and we can double check our resource. We can always check on our hundreds chart just to make sure we're right, okay? Start on the 30 and the number after is 31. Oh, we did that same thing. Remember for the day of the week? We're finding out what today's date was. So let's go ahead and read this number together before we put on the place value chart. Ready? 131. We have 100, 3 tens. 1. Let's get one counting rod and add it to the ones pocket and then start counting with our 100. How many hundreds? 100. Get the 100 in your brain. Keep it there. Say 100. Now we're going to put the 3 tens with the 100. Baby cow, Cookie Monster, we're going to put the 3 tens. Are you ready? Sprinkles, Baby Bear, Peace Bear, Freddy Frog, is everybody ready? Let's go ahead. Do you have the 100 in your brain? Let's put the 3 10s with it. We've been skip counting by 10, so we can do this. Ready? All right, kindergartners, 110, 120, 130. Let's put the 3 ones back and get the 1 1. You have the 130 in your brain? Here's the 131. Great job. Let's put this in the ones pocket and get ready for our tally mark. Yesterday was so exciting. Remember when we crossed a group of 5 and we got to skip count by 5s 26 times? Now let's go ahead and we have our 1 for today. Let's skip count by 5s 26 times and put the 1 with it. Are you ready, mathematicians? All right, this final day before spring break, let's skip count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Oh, I remember when we did that for the 100th day of school. Ready? 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130, 131. Can you believe that? So many days learning together in kindergarten. And after spring break, we only have 1 more quarter left. And then you are ready to be big time first graders. Let's start with our capital M for March. It's the last day in March. Let's go ahead and write it down. M-A-R-C-H. March. Finger space. Write the number 31 with a 3 and a 1 comma. Finger space. 2022. Write that down. It is the 3rd month, 31st day in 2022. Go ahead, mathematicians. Write that down. Practice reading it. Hit the subscribe button. Thumbs up if you like this video. All right, read it. March 31st, 2022.